they don't give discounts because they're dealing with rich people. That is not true. They don't give discounts because they were smart, right? And they had good leadership, like when you were a leader there that understood, if I give you 30% off on your suite, how are you supposed to know that's as low as the price goes? So what you're going to do is say, I need to think about it. And then you're going to call Marriott. And now we're in a race to the bottom. And if you do book the suite at 30% off, you are constantly going to lay around going, was this the best price? And now you're going to start looking at reviews, which is why companies get so many bad reviews, because you're going to see there was a 40% off spring fling promotion. And now you're going to be upset. Just focus on the value. Because of the fact that you told me you're bringing the sales team into Chicago, you guys need to have this be a win-win event. You need to impress both your sales team and their spouse, because you have people that are out there, they're the lifeblood of your organization. And you told me they're on the road 60 to 80 days a year. And this is a time not only for us to come together, but to appreciate and reward our spouses. What I would like to do is I'd like to recommend a package where we're going to put all of your people and their spouse in a junior suite. They're going to get the Ritz-Carlton treatment. Okay. We're going to have the boardroom set up for your people during your executive training. And what I based on everything you're telling me, I'd like to recommend that we do spa packages or golf packages. We'll let them choose for the spouses. Does it make sense for me to send the contract for all that over?
Right. Yeah, and it's so different, Matt. It's different, but it's simple.